Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a compact and very convenient projector, the Wanbo T2 Ultra from Amazon. It's small, lightweight and fully smart. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It really helps promote the video and motivates me to make more reviews for you. Let's begin. The projector arrives in a neat box where everything is tightly secured, so no part gets damaged during delivery. The packaging looks clean and gives a good first impression. It instantly shows that the device is made with attention to detail rather than thrown together casually. Inside the box, you'll find the projector itself, the remote control, the power adapter, and the documentation. The design is very minimalistic, clean lines, a smooth body, and tidy elements. It's compact, easy to carry with one hand, and doesn't take much space on a desk or in a bag. The lens is placed in the center and the ventilation grills are hidden inside the body, so they don't spoil the appearance. This is one of those devices that looks more expensive than it actually is. The projector runs on Android 11, which means you can install apps, watch movies directly, open YouTube, streaming services and other content without any additional devices. It supports autofocus and auto keystone correction, so the image adjusts itself and stays sharp even if you accidentally move the projector a bit. It has Wi-Fi, allowing you to cast videos from your smartphone. The cooling system works quietly, so it doesn't distract from the movie. This model is made for quick and simple home theater setups. Place it down, turn it on, and you're ready to watch. The projector is very lightweight and portable, easy to move between rooms or take with you. The autofocus is fast. The image becomes sharp within seconds. Auto keystone correction helps you align the picture without any complicated settings. Android gives access to thousands of apps, so you don't need to connect a computer or media box. The ventilation is quiet, the body barely heats up, and the picture quality is surprisingly good for such a small device. It's a great option for watching movies in the dark, kids' cartoons, or cozy evening sessions. In a brightly lit room, the image loses saturation, so it's best to use the projector in a darkened environment. The built-in speaker is okay, but not great. An external speaker is recommended. Because of its compact size, it won't replace a full-size home theater projector, but for its format, it performs very well. Autofocus may need a second adjustment if the projector is moved too much. The Wanbo T2 Ultra leaves a very pleasant impression. It's made for those who want a small, lightweight, and easy-to-use projector. It's quick to set up, works reliably, and lets you watch movies without extra devices. This model is perfect as a first projector or as a portable option for trips, the countryside, or travel. Considering the price on Amazon, it's one of the most interesting compact projectors that offers maximum features for a very low cost. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you like this projector, leave a like, write a comment and subscribe to the channel. There are many more Amazon tech reviews coming soon. See you in the next videos.